was facing the family-facing kickoff. I really wanted to do it, but I found myself unable to. Despite my strong desire and determination, unforeseen circumstances and obstacles prevented me from achieving what I had set out to do. It was frustrating, as I had put in a lot of thought and effort into planning how I would accomplish it. However, in the end, I just couldn't make it happen. Well, already singing. Here, the parameter was changed to 6.2 bar. You have the best seats in the auditorium, huh? You have the best seats in the auditorium. When the wires will pass through the trunks, they must all be in the cable channel like this. 6.2. Now let's go check. Almost 7, that's 67. We'll fix it now. I adjusted the parameters to 6 and 2. In fact, it's 6 and 8. I'll change it now. And, well, there's an opportunity here to enhance our system. Now we will make adjustments to ensure accuracy and efficiency in our operation. This opportunity allows us to optimize our processes further, ensuring that we meet our goals effectively. We will also review the parameters thoroughly to prevent future discrepancies. It turns into 6.62. I think we can actually do it. 6.8. Probably too much. Six was very good. 6.6. For careful consideration, we have accepted it correctly. Yes. The small one itself. Yes. Because it's like the small one itself, yes.